Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by getting the files in place and matching technical settings. This matters because mismatched rates create drift. Once done, drag video and its external audio onto the timeline so you can see waveforms. Make sure the timeline frame rate equals your camera. Also check audio sample rate in clip attributes. Now, zoom into the start and align the obvious peaks, a clap, slate, or gunshot, so the visuals and peaks line up precisely before automating sync. You'll use Resolve's auto sync to save time and reduce manual error. Waveform matching compares peaks and aligns clips for you. Select the video clip and its external audio, then right-click and choose Auto Sync Audio. Pick based on waveform if you have a slate or loud transient, or timecode if both devices recorded matching TC. After syncing, play a few seconds and scrub if waveforms and lips move together. The method worked, and you're ready to tidy multi-clip groups. You finish by locking the synced material and preparing for edit or export. Compound clips or multicam clips keep audio and video together. Once created, mute or delete the camera's scratch audio, check channel routing, and test export levels. If sync is slightly off, check sample rates and timeline frame rate first. Mismatch causes drift. If still wrong, nudge audio by single frames, or rerun auto sync based on waveform after trimming tiny offsets. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.